Mate, the energy here, this place is awesome, man. I'm being minted, just walking out of your penthouse apartment, walking down there, there's bars everywhere. Sat next to the Sydney Opera House. Amazing view of the bridge and the harbour. Who would have thought Australia would be this hot? I guarantee you, I'll have a bit of fucking drink and I'll drown. So we're going on a catamaran and we're going swimming in the ocean, so fingers crossed we don't get eaten by sharks. I brought my GoPro as well, so hopefully get some sick footage. Hopefully see some things maybe. I don't know how far out we're going, but... Oh, she nearly walked into me. Oh my god, I'm sweating like a bat. So sweaty. Mate, this is absolutely wicked. This is literally perfect. Getting on it. Absolute bliss. Getting straight on it, mate. Mate, the GoPro's coming out. The GoPro's coming out.
I'd say back to swim too, like why not? I'm not. And so please find this.
This is when I just fall through it. Hey, get him in, get him in. Mate, this is so perfect. Come on lads, come on. Ugh. Mate, this is absolutely sick. Okay, well this is happening. Let's go, come on. Lovely. Alright, getting is so nice. I am swimming in Australia. Oh, there better not be any sharks here.
No, it's cold.
It's alright, mate, get in, it's fine.
How deep was it?
No, mate, I can touch the bottom. And you're a bit taller than me. What do you mean? What? I'm chilling on a kayak. Look at that view. Look at that. The Barbie's on. The Barbie is on. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes! Ah. Mate, I'm top of a f***ing boat in the Harbour of Sydney. Robbie, come on, together, together. 3,
waterproof one, nice.
3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Alright, let's go meet Tom on the beach. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Hey, look at him! He can't f***ing swim! Mate, look at this. This is what life's about. Mate, there could be snakes, anything in these rocks. Mate, look at this for a view. I am so happy that this is my life right now. Sitting on a boat, barbecue going, got some drink. That absolutely gorgeous view. Sydney Opera House, the rest of Sydney. Absolutely beautiful. Very cool. Knackered me, it's old age that. Smile for the camera. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Go on off. Peer pressure, I'm telling you. Been on the boat all day, just jumping off it, getting pissed. Been able to jump off the boat, swim to a beach, had a barbecue on the boat. You can see Sydney Opera House, the whole of Sydney from here. Absolutely amazing.